Hello, I'm Delphine Bautista. I am the series coordinator of Discover, published by Discover Science, published by Academy. I am a retired teacher of the Ateneo de Manila University. I used to teach young boys from grade 1 to grade 7, and later on, adults in the graduate school of the Ateneo Graduate School. I was at the Ateneo. I have been a teacher for 42 years, being teacher, science coordinator, special subject teacher of science. Now, Discover Science is, for me, the best science series in the market today. That is no idle claim, because the series is based on the Ateneo system of education. We very well know that the Ateneo is run by the Jesuit fathers, the society, the religious order of the Society of Jesus. And the Jesuits are known for their unique system of education. This is known as the Ratio Studiorum. The Ratio for short. Okay. What is the Ratio? The Ratio is a rational way of learning. It is an organized method of studying. And Discover Science incorporates this system in the textbook. Now, what are the characteristics of the Ratio? The Jesuit system, the Jesuits are world famous for their innovative thinking, excuse me, innovative thinking and their passion for excellence in the area of education. The first characteristic, which is very unique, okay, the Ratio emphasizes objectives to keep the focus, to keep the minds of the students focused. Objectives are given before the start of the lesson. With these objectives in mind, the pupils start to reflect. And this is the second characteristic, reflection. Reflection permeates the whole Ratio. The students, the pupils, reflect by asking themselves questions. Questions about the topic. This process relates to the concept building, the concept which can apply to their life situation. So that is reflection. The next characteristic of the Ratio is active learning of concepts. The pupils perform activities to accomplish the objectives proposed in the first part of the lesson. Next, and this is unique, this is also very unique to the Ratio. The Ratio incorporates lots of repetition, lots of practice, lots of review. This part provides or ensures mastery of concept, mastery of the lesson. So repetition, practice, review. Towards the end, the Ratio incorporates, of course, evaluation to find out if learning took place. It is the Ateneo is famous for quizzes, daily tests, daily quizzes, and these are given after the lesson. And the last characteristic of the Ratio is its simplicity. Simple concepts, simple ideas are given. Concepts are presented in small, manageable chunks so that the students, the pupils, are not overwhelmed by huge, large chunks of concepts presented to them. So small chunks are given. Okay. Now, Discover Science incorporates the Jesuit system in the text. Discover Science incorporates a highly organized lesson structure. If you will look at a chapter, a lesson in Discover Science, you will see it begins with lesson objectives, very similar to the structure of the ratio. It begins with objectives, and then related to the objectives would be there is an activity that begins the lesson. It introduces the lesson. Okay, we call this the discover activity. The discover activity will relate the concepts to be learned to the experiences of the student. Okay, so we have the objective, we have relating concepts to real life, and this is in the discover. Right. And then the content, of course, are given in small chunks, in small, manageable chunks, concepts which can easily be mastered by the students. And then part of Discover Science, after the brief lesson, we have practice, we have review. Okay. This is the part of the lesson. So as you can see, the tight lesson structure of Discover Science is closely correlated with the Ratio Studiorum of the Jesuit Ateneo system of education. Also incorporated in the lesson would be the development of process skills. In each lesson, there are activities which the students, at the end of the lesson, which the student will do. Okay? The activity which will help the students learn the scientific procedure and interpret data in the process of inquiry. Thus, Discover Science helps the student develop experiment skills and investigative skills that are featured in the approach which the book follows, scientific inquiry. And at the end of each chapter, you will find the evaluation part, which if the pupils are able to answer, hopefully they have learned the lesson. Okay? Also part of Discover Science is the application part. How can we apply this to the life of the pupil? Part of this would be at the end of the unit, you have projects, you can relate it to your career. There is a section on science and society. How can the concepts learned in this chapter, in this unit, how can the pupil relate it to himself and to society? So, this is Discover Science, and we consider it the best science series in the market today. Thank you very much.
Okay.